Hello everyone, today we are going to open and build this LEGO Marvel set, the Captain America vs. Red Hulk battle. So this is based on the upcoming movie, Captain America Brave New World. So without further ado, let's open up and start building. I have finished building this LEGO Marvel Captain America vs. Red Hulk battle. What I have to say is this is another very overpriced set from Marvel. But before we look at the minifigure, let's just take a look at the jet. Despite being overpriced, I have to say the jet is actually pretty cool because it has a distinctive shape, so the overall building experience is slightly different to the typical jet you build. But I can't tell, how accurate is this compared to the movie because the movie is not out yet. But overall, it's a pretty cool and fun build and looking pretty cool as well. I particularly like the use of these pieces here to create this pattern without using any sticker. Having said that, you still see a few stickers around, and of course you can open up the canopy to fit one of the pilot, and you've got a few more stickers inside as the control panel. There isn't any much play feature except the two stud shooters on the side, but this part you can actually open and reveal a case that inside we have a few adamantium blocks in. This set includes 4 minifigures and one of them is this Red Hulk Big Fig. And then we've got Sam Wilson, Captain America. I think his name is Torres, is it? The new Falcon, which kind of you know about him if you have watched the Falcon and the Winter Soldier. And finally, we've got the agent Ruthback Savroff. Here's a close look at Red Hulk. Obviously, there's no distinguished feature except the color. Basically, it's the same Hulk minifigure but in red and with the newer style, a removable hairpiece and head, so you can actually disintegrate, or well, not disintegrate, but disassemble this Red Hulk and then combine with other big figs if you want. And then we have Ruth Bat Siroff, the next minifigure. She does appear in the trailer, but what kind of role her character plays, of course, I've yet seen the movie, and she has some very lovely printing on the torso, and her minifigure head is not new, so let me just remove it from the minifigure first, and here you go, you've got a better look of her secondary face. Next, we have the Falcon minifigure. You can see the wings is brick built with some a few stickers to give it a little bit more details, lovely printing on the torso. Unfortunately, there are no leg prints, which is pretty common with the Marvel minifigures. Unfortunately, the helmet doesn't seem to fit so well, but you can see all the details actually printed underneath, and then on the other side is with all his protective gear cover his eyes. So maybe there's an option you just don't need to have the helmet because I think that looks better without it. And finally, we have Sam Wilson, Captain America. So this is an updated suit with a darker color, much more looking like the Steve Rogers costume. And then again, the wing build is a brick build with a few stickers, very similar to the Falcon, the wingsuit from a earlier Marvel movies. And then he has the new Captain America helmet. The mold of the helmet is the same, but with a new print and the same Captain American shield. Lovely printing on the torso, no printing on the legs, but they do give you the jewel molded legs, and this is how he looks like underneath. This is with his protective gear, and then this is with the protective mask removed, so you can still see his face. Unfortunately, they didn't include any hairpiece or plain head, so that you can have Sam Wilson without the helmet, and if you remove the head and the wings, you can see the detail of the back of the torso. Anyway, I do love this minifigure, but at the same time, I do think the collectible minifigures here, and overall, the first version of the costume looks better in my opinion. And this is the Captain America vs. Red Hulk battle set. I have to admit, I like this set, but again, it's really overpriced. Without any discount, this set is $100 which I think it should be at most 60. Even though you get excellent minifigures and a Red Hulk minifigure plus a pretty cool build, still can't justify the high price. So this set I will only recommend if you a core fan of the MCU like me that wants to collect all the characters. Otherwise, you either wait for this on clearance or you just skip this set. Whether it's gonna be on clearance, I don't know, because so far this set particularly is Lego store exclusive, so it's not available on any local store, so it's very hard to get discount. I bought this because there was 2 times insider points plus a gift with purchase. But anyway, do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.